soldier boy, a Georgia volunteer. When I marched out from Atlanta, I was in my 16th year. I left my grieving parents to weep and to moan. I was just a rebel soldier boy and going away from home. I went to fight the Union so the Southland could be free. I shot myself some Yankees who were trying to shoot me. It was battle after battle, some we lost and some we won. I was just a rebel soldier boy and far away from home. We marched north to Sharpsburg, called Antietam by some. The smoke from the cannon made you think there weren't no sun. They come pouring across them bridges and advancing up the hill to where we was awaiting, all primed up to kill. I fired off my rifle at the boy that carried their flag, and 'twas then a Yankee mini-ball near tore away my leg. All grievous, hurt and bleeding, I fell down with a moan. I was just a rebel soldier boy so far away from home. I stayed where I'd fallen, all that day there I lied, and on that slope around me about 23,000 died. I lay there in the wildflowers till the setting of the sun. Then a Yankee soldier found me and he seen what he had done. He gave me some water and he bound my leg up tight. He put his blanket over me and he stayed there through the night. He talked about Rhode Island and his family back home. He was just a Yankee soldier boy so far away from home. Well, now the war is over, with my crutches I can walk. My friends all hate the Yankees, they just cuss 'em when they talk. But I know something different, my life and soul was saved by that boy from Rhode Island who pulled me from the grave. There was 23,000 who died on that day. They was butchered and mangled, both the blue and the grey. We was sent there by madmen for some purpose of their own. We was all of us poor soldier boys and far away from home. We was all of us poor soldier boys, we was so far away from home.